everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. So as you guys probably don't know this yet, but behind all the paranormal stuff, I am really into aesthetic stuff. Now my aesthetic has recently changed lately, and I like Kawaii, and if you don't know what that is, it's like mostly pink stuff. So I got some stuff off of Amazon with my gift card, and we're gonna be opening item. I've been waiting for it for a long time. It is a very cute package. I love the packaging. I'm gonna try to do it without breaking it. It's a little bit damaged inside, but that's okay. A little bit like that. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a big giant mess, isn't it? Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. I'm also obsessed with strawberries, but look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. I bought this off of Amazon for like about $7, $9. It was not that bad. It's glass, but look at how cute the print is on the front. That is so cute. Let's dig into the box. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is the one. Okay, so I think this is the tapestry I bought. It was only $8.99, so because like I only had $40 to spend on a gift card, and I really got this because I really like the color of pinks in it, and it's a super cute tapestry. And oh my gosh, you guys might not be able to see it, but it's so cute. Oh my gosh. I never knew how cute it could be. That is so adorable. Okay, now let's dig into the box again. Oh my gosh, look. I got cherry blossom vines. Let's see what they all look like. Okay. They don't smell as bad as the vines when I got them, but look at how pretty they are. I got these because they're just so pretty, but the reason why I'm not going to be decorating with this stuff is because we're selling this house, well maybe, and moving into a different, so I don't want to get too in detailed with like doing anything before we leave. Oh no, oh my gosh, this is the last thing, but get it open here. I got these, so I'm also really like anime, and I'm obsessed with Japan, so I found these posters. So like this is probably gonna be like a video like shopping on a budget. I was not on a budget, of course, but like I just had like a gift card that I wanted to spend, and it only was $40, so this is pretty much on a budget. But the first one, it's like a Tokyo one, and it is so cute because it came with a pack of 2 for about $5.99. Oh, they're magnetic too. Wait, was that a magnetic force or something? It was weird. I think it's just like the magnetic-ish. But it's got the Tokyo. It's got like a little map with these pretty flowers. And then it's got a Japan one. And I'm also going to do a part 2, opening some other stuff, since I did get some other stuff with a different Amazon gift card because I got 2. But there was supposed to come in this haul, there's supposed to be another one, another stickers, but they're not coming until January 18th for some reason. But by far, my favorite thing is this. I love this so freaking much, and I have strawberry ice cubes to go inside. I I just need to start building up a little bit of a kind of aesthetic also plate, because this is so adorable. They also have these on Amazon. They have a banana one, an avocado one. Avocado milk doesn't sound too, I don't know. I think the avocado one's probably the least favorite, but it's up to you guys. Milk carton, and look at how cute it is. Oh my gosh. Thank you, everybody. This was a pretty good haul. This is something a little bit different that I wanted to do. Tried to show another side from the paranormal. I hope you guys make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope this might be like a short video, but there's also going to be a part 2, so keep a lookout and have a blessed one.